This is the news at 6.
Just in today, the man accused of murdering 4 University of Idaho students in November of 2022 will appear in court for the first time in Ada County a week from today. Our Abby Wilt is live outside the courthouse with a preview of what's to come for Bryan Kohberger. Abby.
Morgan, Kohberger is expected to be here at the Ada County Courthouse next week, and that hearing is supposed to lay out the next steps for the trial, including the timeline of the trial. The Ada County Courthouse tells me today that after having the Lori Vallow trial here and the Chad Daybell trial here, they do feel prepared for a trial of this nature.
It's not the first time we've dealt with a case of significant import to the public that generates a lot of not just local but national interest.
The attention is on Ada County.
All the proceedings will be here in Ada County.
For the trial of Bryan Kohberger, the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students in November of 2022. He will appear in court for the first time in Boise Thursday.
I'm sure Mr. Kohberger would be present for that hearing.
Judge James Cawthon, who's the Deputy Administrative District Judge but not assigned to the case, says it'll be a status conference to determine next steps for Kohberger.
It's a chance for Judge Hippler, for the council involved, to kind of find direction for moving forward and moving the case towards the trial.
The trial was previously scheduled to begin in June of 2025 and last 3 months, but now that start date and length is up in the air.
All the time schedules that were laid out in Latah County will have to be reset for hearing in Ada County.
Judge Stephen Hippler, who's assigned to the case, can also determine whether there will be virtual options for hearings, like for the defense and the prosecution, so they aren't traveling back and forth from North Idaho.
The courts do have an option for people to appear virtually, but that's probably one of the matters that may be discussed.
Ada County will provide all resources for this case, with no help from outside counties.
Being that it's been transferred to Ada County, in as much as we have an Ada County judge presiding over that, it'll be our resources that we're using to handle the case.
As Ada County has to allocate more resources to the Kohberger trial, Cawthon says he's confident previously scheduled trials will go on.
I don't think anything's going to be delayed or put off into the future because we have this trial. The court proceedings we would normally be doing had Mr. Kohberger's case not come to us, we would still be business as usual.
And Cawthon tells me that the county will work together to put on a fair trial for Kohberger, a fair trial for the families of the victims, and a fair trial to the public to get information on this case.
Yeah, working with multiple agencies, including the Sheriff's Office, county commissioners, and the courts. We do know the Ada County Courthouse is strapped for resources and space, so fortunately they have had experience in this. Abby, thank you.